guys, welcome back to a video of mine. And today I'm gonna do a taste test of a mini slime liquor. It's a super sour, but yeah. So it's a taste test. So it's a fruit syrup, and it's a cola flavored. You guys. But yeah. So let's get into it. Mm, it's blue. Actually, it does taste like cola. Mm. I don't mind the YouTube sounds. I'm watching Mackenzie Roblox. And yeah, you guys, it actually does taste good. And yeah, if you guys want to see more videos of this taste testing, like and comment down below if I should do more taste tests. Bye!